check this out, guys and girls, and just listen to that roar. This nature was well worth driving 2 hours. Wow. We're gonna head up right here somewhere, and I'm gonna give you some more shots. Let's go. Well, you guys, this is one heck of a place, I can tell you that. So, I mean, it was well worth it. We drove about 2 hours to get here. The nature is awesome. So, this is one of the bigger waterfalls that we found, and we got a lot of more tips from people that's here that there is more waterfalls upstream. So, we might go take a look at it, depending on what the wife says. But guys, enjoy the scenery and sounds. Just take it in.
Little hands that hold our hearts so tight, running wild from dawn till night. Dirty boots and scraped up knees, chasing dreams and climbing trees. Our kids, they shine brighter than gold, laughter pure, the stories bold. They teach us to see the world anew, through eyes unclouded by the blues. Tiny footsteps echo down the hall, drawing pictures on the wall. Messy hair, but eyes so clear, bringing joy and drying tears. Our kids, they shine brighter than gold, with laughter pure and stories bold. They
So
teach
also quick
us to see the
people
world
with some food and just checking out the waterfall. We're gonna continue and explore the area. Stay tuned for more nature, guys. This is one epic place.
bedtime tales and whispered prayers, midnight fears and teddy bears. They grow so fast, these moments sweet. Cherish every bittersweet heartbeat. Morning rushes and evening sighs, little questions, big replies. Hand in hand we'll face the storm, guiding lights keep them warm. Tiny footsteps echo down the hall, drawing pictures on the wall. Messy hair, but eyes so clear, bringing joy and drying tears. Our kids, they shine brighter than gold, with laughter pure and stories bold. They teach us to see the world anew, through eyes unclouded by the blues.
So we are turning back right now. We're not gonna continue anymore because these are tracks from a wild boar. So we got even more evidence of them. If we walk up here, I will show you guys. So we're turning back and heading towards the car because we have another waterfall to look at. So you can see here, this is where they have been scouring for food. That's a telltale sign, and the tracks continues up. So We are heading back towards the car because we do not want to get engaged with a wild boar that's gonna charge. So we will catch you up when we get back to the car. All right, you guys, so we are about to head out. We've just been to Flammafallet, a really nice place to stop and have a good, kind of like a breakfast, meal, picnic, whatever you want. But I just want to tell you one thing. When you come from the road, you have the sign right there saying Flammafallet. And right where we have the car, we have a parking lot, but you're not gonna stop there. Right down this road to another parking lot. And from there, you will follow the blue trail, and that will take you to Flammafallet. Now we're heading off to another spot, another waterfall. Stay tuned, guys, and we will catch you there.